Hello everyone. As you can see, the Softtop is installed in the yellow 74. Dom and I did this a few weeks ago, but just getting around to shooting the video and just showing you a little bit of what's going on. Okay, as you can see, here are 2 of the 4 bolts that bolt into the body to hold the Softtop in place. The other 2 obviously are on the passenger side. This particular vehicle, for whatever reason, had 1 bolt missing out of that bracket, and also the other 3 bolts were different sizes. If you remember a while ago, Dom and I had to retap the holes and find bolts to fit it, to make it stable, because this top was moving all over the place. So there's still a little bit more work to be done. We have to get the front windshield installed and the trim and so forth, and then once we do that, we'll be able to adjust the handles and readjust the pins in the back on the deck lid. So it's still work in progress and still a little bit more to do, but that's the progress so far with the Softtop. Happy with the results. All right, catch you later.